Okay, this is the second video on solving equations. We got some different types of problems on this one, so let's go through it. Okay, so example 1 it says, to solve for the variable, or x. In this problem it says 1 is equal to r divided by 4 minus 3. Okay, and so in the last video we learned these steps to help us eliminate mistakes. So we're going to use these again. First step, draw a vertical line through the equal sign. So that's cool. And second step, we want to write the goal of the problem. Notice r is on the right, so that's where we put r. So r is equal to a number. Okay. And now we want to show our work. In this problem here, we want r by itself, but right now, r is divided by 4, and we're subtracting 3 from that. Okay, so we've got those two problems to take care of. We want to start on this problem by adding 3. Cool. And then put that horizontal line. And so we come down here, we got r over 4 is equal to 4. Cool, right? This cancels. And now at this step right here, look, r is divided by 4. So we want to do the opposite of that. Instead of dividing by 4, we want to multiply by 4. Right? We do that to both sides. Multiply by 4. Okay, so we put our horizontal line. Okay. What happens is this cancels. Right? And we're left with r. And we know that that's equal to, on this side here, 16. Okay? All right, let's go to the next problem. Oops. Clear this out. So example 2 says negative 5 plus x over 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so we'll get our vertical line, and then, so on this problem, right, we want to write out the goal that x is equal to, right, whatever number that is. Okay, so on the left-hand side, we want x, we have negative 5 plus x over 3. So we got those two problems to take care of. Okay, so the first step is we want to add 5 to both sides. Okay. And simplify. Okay, this cancels. And we're left with x over 3 is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, now on the left, x is divided by 3. We want to do the opposite of that. Right, so we want to multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. Okay, put our horizontal line. This cancels, and we're left with x is equal to 18. Cool. Now that's the first type of problem you're going to see. There's a second type of problem on this assignment. Let me look at those now. Okay. Here we're going to look at example 3. Okay, and this one is x minus 3 over 4 is equal to 2. Okay. So we'll put our vertical line. Right? We'll write out our goal that x is equal to some number. Okay, and now we have these two problems to take care of. We want to get rid of the negative 3, and we want to get rid of the 4. Okay. On this type of problem, we're going to need to multiply first. Okay, so notice this is x minus 3 divided by 4. So we want to do the opposite of dividing by 4. Multiplying by 4 on both sides. See that? Okay, horizontal line. Okay, notice that this will simplify, all right? That will cancel out. We're left with x minus 3 is equal to, right? 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, and we're almost there. Right, on this side now we want x, but we have x minus 3, so we need to add 3 to both sides. Cool. Horizontal line. Okay, this cancels. Okay, and we're left with x is equal to 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, let's do one last example. Okay, so we'll call this example 4. And it says that 7 is equal to k plus 4 over 3. Okay. So here we go, vertical line. And now, write out the goal, right? It's a really important step. So we have k is equal to a number. Okay. Now on this right-hand side, you know, we have k plus 4 divided by 3. We got to get rid of the 4 and the 3. So on this one, we want to start by multiplying by 3. Cool. And put our horizontal line, right? When we multiply by 3, since that's the opposite, this is going to cancel, right? Times 3 and divided by 3 cancel. And then over on this side, we're left with 21, right? 3 times 7 is 21 is equal to k plus 4. Cool. Okay, next step, we want k. We have k plus 4. We want to subtract 4 from both sides. Right? And we're almost there, right? The positive 4 and the minus 4 cancel out. And so we're left with k is equal to 21 minus 4 is 17. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.